Welcome to BPlanMaker.com. Are you thinking about starting a debt collection agency? You can kind of already picture the business you want to build, but turning that idea into a professional business plan takes time, research, and financial planning. And that's where a lot of people are getting stuck. That's why we created a complete editable debt collection business plan. It follows the approved format recommended by the SBA, and it covers your products and services, operations, marketing management, and 3 years of financial projections. I just scrolled through the actual plan, and you just simply replace the sample details with your business name, location, pricings, and shape it around your vision. Don't let paperwork keep your business stuck in the idea stage. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can download the whole plan instantly right now, start editing it, and start turning your idea into an actual business. The idea is yours, the plan is ready, time to take the next step.